Hey guys, sorry it's been a while, but I had to make a video today because I've just been sent my spring order from Daleys, so Daleys fruit trees. So I thought I'd do a little unboxing video. I've got two big boxes full. I ordered these months ago, so I can't actually remember what's in this order. So I know a couple of things that are in there, but it might be a couple of surprises. So I thought I'd unbox them and upload them for you. See if you like any of them. So they come really well packaged. Let's see, really good box. And you can't just pull them out, so they're quite secure down the bottom too. So you pretty much have to break apart the whole box to get into these, which will probably take me ages. Yeah, now I can't get them bloody open. Alright. Alright. So it looks like I've got a nice little bundle of things. So they come all wrapped up to keep the moisture in, because some of them are probably in transit for a few days. I only got my scent notification yesterday afternoon and they came today, so pretty quick, pretty happy with that. Alright, so the first one is a kiwi berry. So these are like little kiwi fruits but smaller. Pretty excited for these. Been on a wait list for nearly a year for these, so they look alright. They look pretty healthy. It's got new growth, so looks pretty good. Macadamia bush nut. So little macadamia nut. Again, these look pretty nice actually. There's two of them. I'll probably put them out the front somewhere. This is a midgeon berry. Midgeon berry. Also a little native, like a little berry. This looks like a blueberry. Yeah, just typical powder blue. These do well in our southeast Queensland kind of climate. I already have a couple of these and they're doing really well. This is the Brightwell blueberry. Brightwell. This one doesn't look as healthy as the other one. It's got a few dots on it, but it's alright. Should be okay, I'll just peel them off anyway. They'll probably be losing its leaves anyway, so I'm not too worried. It still looks alright. I don't know how to say that. Grumishima? I don't know how to say that, but it's basically a black tropical type cherry, which I'm actually just going to put just over here. So it's like a tropical cherry. Alright, let's grab the other box. You want this box? Yes. You want to play in this? This one's heavy. It's a lot bigger. Oh, no. You can't have the knife, sorry. No knife. Yeah, you can have that. Alright, sturdy boxes. Whoa. Kid's just taking the hammer, just running around the yard with the hammer. Very, very safe. Great parenting. Great parenting. Alright, what's this bad boy? Alright, this one's a plum. This is the Gulf Ruby. So it's a little plum. It's supposed to be better for the subtropical areas because other plums that I've got didn't fruit this year, and when I read into them I realised they're more of a temperate, not cold enough where I am for those, but these ones are supposed to do better. This is again, yeah, the Gulf Ruby for southeast Queensland. So very well packed down the bottom here. I don't think you can see it. I'll bring it down for a sec. They're all wrapped together, basically they won't move at all in here. So if you're worried about getting trees sent from them, don't. They're probably the best ones that I've had, packaging wise. Nice looking. This is a peach, sorry, tropic snow. This is a white peach. Again, good for the like subtropical areas. So again, I'm in southeast Queensland, so I need low chill varieties. I already have a few tropical peaches and tropical nectarines, and they're doing really well. So this is a white one. Glen. So this is a Glen mango. I didn't want any mango trees that were going to get too big, so I was looking at ones that had dwarfing or semi-dwarfing abilities. So the Glen, yeah, is one of them apparently. So, but this one, it will go in a pot as well, so that will dwarf it a little as well. Alright, so this is another plum. This is a Gulf Beauty. So I got 2 plums just to help with pollination. And these 2 plums that I got, actually I'm going to do the 2 trees 1 hole. Going to try that method out. So yeah, 2 trees 1 hole. I'll do it with these 2 plums. These will be fine after a little trim, but they're actually looking pretty good. I was a little bit worried about ordering from somewhere where I can't actually physically see the plants when I pick them, but this is probably my 4th order from Daleys over the last maybe 2 years, and I have found them really good. So I haven't actually had anything die that I've got from them, and everything I've got's been really healthy. They're the ones that are actually doing really well out in the yard at the moment. Everything that I've got from Bunnings is diseased or just not growing. So as much as I love Bunnings, I don't really like it for fruit trees. Alright, 3 left. Wait, don't hit the chickens. I let her have a hammer. And now she's running after the chickens. Alright. Chickens? Alright, this is a peach cobbed. This is probably reversed, but it's alright. Interested to see what these taste like. I haven't tasted these. They're supposed to be like a kind of like a mix between a peach and an apricot or something, so we'll see how it goes. Don't know where I'm going to put this one either. Alright, I'm guessing this is a mango. There's the tag there. This is the Irwin, this is a dwarf mango. Irwin. So I've already got the Palmer out in the backyard and that's doing well. And then I've got these 2 new ones today. So the Glen and the Irwin are supposed to be dwarf or semi-dwarf. Alright, this last one, I believe this is my white mulberry. My white Chatoot. I don't know how to say that either, but it's supposed to be like a white mulberry. It's actually already got a couple on it. In there, I don't know if you can see them, but they're there. And that's it. So if you want to get some trees from Daleys, I definitely recommend them. Great packaging, all relatively healthy. So far they've been doing really well. I'll probably do another little video when I'm actually planting these in a few days, and then I'll show you the food forest, which is new since my last video as well. So hit subscribe and hopefully I'll see you again soon. Thanks.